Hello, Ryrie. Welcome. Thank you for applying for the front-end developer position at our company, Ryrie. Before we dive into the interview questions, how's your day going so far?
It's going well. Thank you for asking. I'm excited to be here and discuss the opportunity further.
That's great to hear. It's always good to start on positive note. Now let's move on to our questions. Let's start with some questions about you. Please describe yourself in 5 words.
Adaptive, initiative, collaborative, passionate, and easygoing.
Great. Now moving on to your work history. What were your responsibility during your internship at Bejana Data Global Indo? Can you also tell me about any major challenge you faced and how you handled them?
During my internship, I was responsible for working on the front-end engineer of the Innovation 360 website project. One challenge I faced was ensuring compatibility across different browser and device. To overcome this, I extensively test the website on various platforms and utilized responsive design principle to ensure optimal performance.
Thank you for sharing that. Now let's discuss your education. What contribution did your studies in computer engineering at Polytechnic Negeri Bandung make to your career as a front-end developer?
My studies in computer engineering provided me with a strong foundation in programming language and software development principles. Course in web development, algorithms, and data structures equipped me with the necessary skills to excel in a front-end development roles.
Impressive background, really. Now let's talk about the job you're applying for and the company. Why do you want to work as front-end developer position at our company?
I'm particularly drawn to this company vision of delivering solid online payment solution for merchants. The opportunity to contribute to an innovative project in a dynamic and collaborative environment excites me. Additionally, I, I admire I admire the company commitment to fostering professional growth and continual learning, which align with my career aspiration.
Nice. Lastly, let's look towards the future. What are your goals for the next 5 years and how do you plan to achieve them?
Over the next 5 years, I plan to achieve this by actively seeking out learning opportunities, staying updated on industry trends, and contributing to impactful projects that challenge me to grow professionally.
Thank you, Ryrie, for your insightful response. We appreciate your time and interest in the position. We'll be in touch regarding the next step of the hiring process.
You're welcome and thank you for your time. Hello, Rifatia. Welcome. Nice to meet you.
Hi, thank you. Nice to meet you too.
Before we dive into the question, I'd like to ask how your day has been so far. Did you have any interesting project or activities recently?
Thank you for asking. My day has been good, thank you. I've been working on a personal coding project that's been quite engaging.
Thank you for your interest in the software engineering position at our company, Rifatia. What motivates you to pursue a career in a software engineering?
My passion for software development stems from a desire to solve complex problems and create impactful solutions that enhance people's life. The ability to continuously learn and innovative in this dynamic field is incredibly motivating to me.
That's great. Now let's explore your experience. Can you tell me about your work during your internship at PT Neural Technologies Indonesia? How did you approach and overcome the challenges you face?
I worked on involved optimizing database performance for a large-scale application. It required implementing indexing strategies and optimizing queries to improve overall system efficiency. To overcome this challenge, I collaborated closely with the development team and conducted through performance testing.
Impressive solving skills, Rifatia. Now let's discuss your achievement. You mentioned winning first place in the TCGRAM competitive programming competition. Can you share a bit more about that competition?
The TCgram competition is a programming challenge that tests participants' algorithmic problem-solving abilities and coding proficiency. To prepare, I dedicated significant time to practicing coding experiences. Exercise. I collaborated with peers to review concepts and share strategies, which helps sharpen my skills and confidence for the competition.
Well done. Now, what interests you the most about the software engineering position at our company, and why do you want to work here?
I'm drawn to your company's innovative approach to solving complex problems and its commitment to leveraging technology for positive societal impact. Your company's diverse and inclusive cultures aligns with my values, and I'm eager to contribute my skills to the company's mission and empowering communities through technology.
Thank you for sharing your insight. Lastly, let's talk about your future aspiration. What are goals for the next 5 years, and how do you plan to achieve them?
Over the next 5 years, I aspire to continue growing as a software engineer by honing my technical skill, taking on increasingly challenging projects, and expanding my knowledge and emerging technologies. I plan to achieve these goals by actively seeking out learning opportunity, pursuing advanced certification or degrees, and seeking mentorship for experienced professionals in the industry.
Thank you, Rifatia, for your thoughtful responses. We appreciate your interest in joining our team at our company. We'll be in touch soon regarding the next steps of the hearing process.
Okay, you're welcome.